My name is Chun Yen. I'm the founder of Birth Discovery. I'm a HypnoBirthing Childbirth Educator and a birth doula. I'm also a Good Beginnings Angel. Today I would like to share with you HypnoBirthing, the Mongan method. Now, who can benefit from this course? Basically, all pregnant moms, be it if you are first-time mom, if you are experienced mom, especially for a VBAC, vaginal birth after cesarean, this HypnoBirthing will benefit you. There are third-time mother who did not get to have a good experience, fourth-time mother who did not have a positive birth experience. If you think about that previous birth was traumatic, then this will be a good course for you, as long as you feel right. Yeah. So when is a good time to join the course? Basically, most people join the course between 25 weeks to 32 weeks. It's not too early for you to do it. If you are 20 weeks, it's fine. You can join the course as well. If you are 37 weeks, it's not that late. You can also join the course. It's just that it will not be a regular 5 weeks class. It has to be a more intensive course. You can find out more about HypnoBirthing from our website www.birthdiscovery.com.